Ministers of the Crown, Deputy Minister from the Russian Federation, Your Excellencies, our ambassadors, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, we cannot ignore the members of the different media houses present here. Excellency, it is my profound honor to be able to welcome you to this beautiful city in this beautiful kingdom, the Kingdom of Eswatini. This visit serves to cement the growing relationship between our two countries, our governments, and people. I would also want to express my own personal appreciation at being able to host you, Your Excellency. Please receive our warmest and humble welcome to the kingdom. Excellency, we have had a number of interactions between our two governments, facilitated, of course, through your able representative in Maputo. This visit is a testimony to the hard work and efforts that your representative office has put in. It is an affirmation of the long history of cordiality between the Kingdom of Eswatini and the Russian Federation. Friends do need to make real-time contact in order to ensure long-term projections of common permanent interest. Your Excellency, we welcome the doors that we have opened to this kingdom. These include the increase in the number of scholarships from 10 to 25. We have also touched upon the assistance that we like to render to this kingdom on digital development. Excellency, we have also offered regular training courses for our civilian, let alone our law enforcers. We have also offered in the area of agriculture, where we have said that Eswatini is now free to grow Russian grain. And this will assist us in the area of a long-term supply of grain for domestic and also for export. And it could also be a small hub, I would say a big hub for the SADC countries and beyond. You touched upon the area of energy, science and technology, mining, you name it. Your Excellency, we appreciate your presence and, of course, the doors that you have opened to this kingdom to utilize. I'm keen to see our bilateral agenda grow in many positive aspects and in ways that will have a favorable impact in the lives of our people, locally and abroad. The visa waiver agreement that has just been signed today is a step in the right direction as it sets the tone for movement of people between our two countries. I am optimistic, Your Excellency, that this will bring in closer and could be our opportunity to propose a bilateral cooperation that we've spoken about yourself this bilateral cooperation that seeks to find commonalities in many spheres of interest. And of course, you rightfully put it that it will form the basis for to find the commonalities. And in addition to the visa waiver agreement, we are hopeful of signing more agreements in different fields, such as trade and investment, agriculture and food security, tourism, energy, mining, defense and security, science and technology, among others. Excellency, I must confess that as a country, we remain deeply concerned about the ongoing Russian-Ukraine impasse. Our prayer is the belief that our brotherly state, the Russian Federation and Ukraine, will ultimately find an amicable solution soon. Eswatini believes that the use of a dialogue and other peaceful methods of intervention will, of course, assist the sovereign states in ending this impasse. You have our support, Your Excellency, and we are in our prayers that we see a lasting solution to this impasse. And of course, we encourage the world to come together and find a better solution. Excellency, closer to home, we bear witness of the power of our bilateral relations. Russia has never wavered to play a significant role in assisting our domestic agenda on higher education, in service training, and other areas of common value. We have a healthy number of doctors manning our hospitals who are proudly trained in Russia. This is a clear demonstration of your commitment to Eswatini and could be the most pragmatic option by far towards creating an unbreakable rapport from people to people. As I conclude, Your Excellency, it is a pity that given the limited amount of time at your disposal, we shall be able show you a bit of our beautiful kingdom. But please receive an open invitation from our Minister for Tourism and myself for a visit in which we can cover the leisure aspects that we'll unable to do now. We are certain that should this come to pass, you will fall in love with the Kingdom of Eswatini and realize that you have a home away from home here in the kingdom. Once again, Your Excellency, wishing you a productive visit to our neighbors in the region. Welcome once again to the Kingdom of Eswatini. Thank you, Your Excellency.